Django's model form with an hidden input returns invalid. I'm making a small project to learn Django, and I'm having some problems trying to use hidden fields inside a model form. There's the class. And my model form. This is the view. This is the HTML generated for the form. I use the same template to both create and edit posts. When I'm creating, pub_date is set in another view, and when I'm editing, I can't change pub_date on my template, thus the hidden field. On this example, form.is_valid always return false. If I remove the pub_date column hidden input line from my form, it returns true. What am I doing wrong?
Do you want the pub date to be the date of the post? If so, have you tried auto_now in your models?
The problem is in the conversion from string to datetime object. The datetime field, if no input_formats argument is specified, takes these formats for string, datetime conversion. From the docs, this URL. So your value of December 19, 2010 17 column 08 column 22.498,000 won't work. The default widget for datetime field is datetime_input widget, which formats the datetime to a string correctly, but hidden input just takes the datetime object with no formatting as you've shown. If you want to use hidden input, you need to strip-time the datetime object to be in the correct format. An alternative option if you just want to hide it is to not set the widget as hidden input, but simply keep the datetime_input widget as is and hide that element with the attrs argument.
Another alternative is to just change the widget type to split_datetime widget.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.